y'all know I'm pretty much doing three different things at the same time. That is my YouTube recordings, a regular job, and ebook writing. So no, it's not stressful, but it's like uh, like one has to totally commit oneself to so many things, but it's fun. It's really fun. So the reason I'm saying this is, now at my workplace I have, like, I'm doing my best, yeah, but sometimes it's you need to like overreach yourself, and so basically tomorrow I might be going to Charminar because it's a vendor visit. That'll be so nice, so cool, wow. And I should look forward to it, yeah. This is like so cool. So I'll start doing that, and I have to take an umbrella, I shouldn't forget. And Charminar, I wish I could shoot over there, but I really can't, I mean, with my camera. So yeah, so that's what, this background is good. And people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.